Selamat datang everybody, welcome to my outside kitchen. Today we're gonna make a mango pie, but it's baked in a rice cooker. The things you need for this rice cooker pie are 2 eggs, 100 grams of sugar, 50 grams of flour, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, some grated coconut, berries for topping, and some mango, of course. I've greased my rice cooker with regular butter. It's not turned on yet. I'm gonna add the mango. I'm just gonna make a nice layer. Look, the pieces are quite thick. That's nice, because it's gonna be the top of your cake. Beautiful. Put the lid on just for the bugs. Now we're gonna make the batter with 2 eggs. The sugar, 100 grams. And now the salt, my melted butter. So this is lovely mixed in, and now the final part, the flour. And that's it. So now you see, that was super easy. Just stir everything together, pour it into your rice cooker on top of that lovely mango. A little bit of grated coconut. Now just turn it on and leave it to cook for about 30 minutes. Wow, these are amazing Japanese wine berries. When it goes to keep warm sitting, just leave it for a few minutes and then turn it on again. It has been 30 minutes now, so let's check if the cake is done. It looks like this, and I'm gonna check if the cake is okay, just the way you would do with any cake. I'm gonna take it out of the rice cooker to let it cool for a few minutes. There you go. It maybe doesn't look really pretty, but it tastes amazing. Some grated coconut and my freshly picked berries on top. This is great pie, maybe to make at the camping site. You only need a rice cooker and some electricity. It's like pudding. Great pie. Selamat makan.